In one way, I'm looking for new ways of seeing femininity. In another way, I'm really looking towards a dialogue between craftsmanship and technology. And continuous on that, it's really the search of where fashion can go. There's really a beauty to find in the way hands can shape something, because you really see the person that made the garment in the actual piece itself. When you look at the collection here, the pieces, a lot of pieces that will look very futuristic or completely machine-made, they are actually made by hand. And it just shows what more we can do with craftsmanship than that we already know. So I really see a future in craftsmanship, combined with the knowledge that we have from technology, and the two can really help each other. In the end, it's not really about if it's made by hand or if it's made by a printer, but it's important that the vision is translated throughout different medias, and that I'm not only stuck to a sewing machine, because none of these pieces could have been made with a sewing machine. And I think it's more about that, really finding the most amount of freedom in your work.
When I think about how I describe Iris's work, I'd say that it's defined by curiosity, wonder, absolutely patient craft, the most practical, direct, kind of factual grounding as well.
Iris's work is extraordinary. It embraces technology, but it harnesses technology with very traditional craft and hand skill.
I was very, very attracted when I first thought about collaborating with Iris to the sheer wealth of experiment that I found in her body of work. We try to make things that are reactive, deeply, deeply sensitive, trembling, oscillating, shimmering. And those kind of qualities are precarious. They require new design techniques. They require a constant innovation.
I think that's very needed, that you really combine science and art to move forward. But I guess people, when they see something that they haven't seen before, they connect it to the future. And I think that's why my work is often seen as visionary, futuristic, but I mean, everything I make is possible today. So I reference my work much more to a here and now than to a future.